Now, Pip and Piperbot are trapped in a crummy situation. Can you help them? Time to find out. Welcome back to Time Master Extreme, the homemade variety channel. Today we're going to be exploring the 5th level in Piper. This place does make me want... Look, what's like... Anyways, what I'm trying to say is it does make me want a sandwich. Alright, let's go. The controls aren't working. Look, there's a crafting table over there. Let's hit it. Looks good. Let's go inside the breadboard. Going through the portal too many times turns some parts of the current flow into glass. Replace the glass with the right block type to fix it. If it keeps saying that something's wrong with your controls, keep ignoring it, because once your controls are fixed, you won't need to fix it again. And that's done. Let's hop out so we can explore this world. Jump! Ignore it. There's nothing's wrong with the controls. It's perfectly fine. It's the game that's busted. But it won't. Just ignore the message and just keep going. Giant toaster and an arrow. The game is telling us to get up there somehow. Yeah, the giant toaster can launch us. Stand on the handle when the toaster pops. It should launch us right up there. We just click that switch, but I don't think we can. Some parts of the current flow are also turned to glass. We need to fix it. And once all the things are fixed, the toaster will be ready to pop. So, be ready. Okay, the coils are turning to lava. Go, 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 go. And... Chadunk. Ah! Wow. That worked even better than thought. A giant golden toaster and another arrow. One more thing left to do. Jump. Jump, jump. Jump. That's just my way of doing it. You don't have to do it. Just follow the golden road. Now, both wires are busted because their current flow has been turned to glass. Destroy the glass blocks and replace them. Remember, fill them in. Fill in the broken wires, but don't completely break them. You need them for your current flow. Now, once both coils are fixed, get out there and the toaster will be ready to pop. This next level should be quick and easy, and you can make it on to the second half and get what you're searching for. All the coils are getting hotter and hotter, and they're turning into lava. It's time for us to leave this planet. Let's get to the exit before the toaster pops. Ready? Chadunk. Woo! I'm starting to enjoy that. It's Portal. Let's jump in. You know, all this traveling is fun and all. There's just one problem. We still don't have the golden wrench we need to stop the cheese toroid. Luckily, the next level should fix all that. What's gonna happen? Well, that's for next time. I will see you then.